In the name of Almighty Allah. Hello audience and welcome to Dawn Times. So today we will discuss Political Science Paper 2 MCQs of CSS 2008. So the first one is justice as treating equals and unequals unequally. Who said this? So this was said by Aristotle, option A. And the first Prime Minister of Britain was, so option C, Robert Walpole. Next one is the position of the king was subordinated to the Parliament by option A, the Parliament Act of 1949. Next one is in which year the Muslim League demanded constitutional reforms in India. So it was in 1927, option D. And vice president is the presiding officer of the upper house of legislature in option C, both A and B. So it is in United States of America as well as in India. So the correct option is option C. And filibustering is a device practiced in option C, American Senate. So filibuster is a political procedure in which one or more members of a legislative body prolong debate on proposed legislation so as to delay or entirely prevent decision or legislation making process. So it is basically a delaying tactics. And kangaroo closure is a procedure followed by the lawmaking body of option A, Britain. And system of administrative law is provided in the constitution of option C, France. And state of France is option A, unitary. So France is a unitary state organized on a decentralized basis under the 1958 Constitution. And tenure of French Senate is option D, none of these. So the tenure of French Senate is 6 years. And the Constitution of India was promulgated on option C, 26 January 1950. And official name of China was emerged on world map on 1st October 1949 is, and the correct option is option B, People Republic of China. And Communist Republic of China. So option A, the National People Congress. And Majlis-e-Shura in Iran consists of option D, none of these. So there are total 290 members of parliament and they are elected for a 4-year term. And Turkey was declared a republic on option B, 29th October 1923. And the upper house of Indian Parliament is commonly known as option B, Rajya Sabha. Next one is how many Indians were member of Simon Commission? So option D, none of these. There are total 7 member of Simon Commission, but at the same time there were no member in the commission from India. So there was no Indian in the Simon Commission, but the total member were 7 and all were Britisher. And Lahore Resolution of 23rd March 1940 was moved by option B, Maulvi Fazal-ul-Haq. And Stanley Wolpert is the author of option A, Jinnah of Pakistan. It is a famous book. And which of these authors or theorists would not be considered as a realist? So it is option C, Woodrow Wilson, and Woodrow Wilson is the president of United States. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Downtimes. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for latest updates and notification. Stay blessed and good luck.